Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can filter comments on TikTok. So here we go. All you have to do now, you can open your TikTok, and this is how you can filter the comments on TikTok. Thank you, napoleoncat.com provided us this article. So here we go. So here, for example, you can see all the options when you go to your accounts. So you can go to the settings and privacy, then privacy comments. So this is also where you can review the filter comments. Just make sure you remember about doing it every now and then if you have any of these settings on. And here we go. So filter all comments. The TikToks itself will let you in the same way filter spam and offensive comments, and filter comments with keyword you specify. Sorry. Here we go. Allow comments from, filter all comment you can turn on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you